Students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. My name is Hafiz Asad and I am from Maryland High School. Students, this is maths lecture. In our today's lecture, we are going to discuss the question number 9 part E. So it's also a triangle which we also discussing in our previous lectures. That there are two triangles, right angle triangles, and we can see that the names are given in here. The corners means that firstly we can write here A, B, C and D. These names is given by us, means that we are also given the names, or we can say that this is part A, B, C, D. It's my own choice to give the names of these corners so that we feel easy to solve these triangles. Means that firstly we take A, C, B, then we also find the side BC. Also if we are required to find the value of the E, then we can take the value of A, C, D. Then note that we have not valued the part C. So firstly we record the value of the BC, then subtract 55 minus this value, and then we are given the value of CD. Then solve this triangle and find the answer of the E. Let me start. In first right angle triangle ACB, then note that the Pythagoras theorem, if we apply in this right angle triangle ACB, then the triangle may be this side ACB, is that this side may be removed for some minutes, and we take just ACB right angle triangle and applying the Pythagoras theorem. And the Pythagoras theorem is actually say that the length of the biggest side, the square of the length of the biggest side equals to the sum of the square of the next two sides. So we can apply here the Pythagoras theorem, which is the square of AB equals the square of AC and BC. The square of AC plus the square of BC. And note that also the biggest side is 40. So we can write here, this is the hypotenuse for your kind of information, and this is the perpendicular side, and the downside is base, which is required to be found. So we can say that BC equals to base. Applying the values and putting the values in the place of AB, we can write 40. The square of 40 equals the square of AC is 32 plus BC is same as it is. Now the square of the 40 equals to 1600 equals the square of 32 plus the square of BC is right here. The square of the 32 is 1024, and when we take it the left side of the equal, it becomes minus of 1024, and the square of BC will be remain there. Then the subtraction of these two quantities is 576, the square of the BC also, and when we take the square root on the both sides, then it will be cut with the square root, and BC is same as it is remaining, and the square of 576 is equals to 24. Now means that we can say that this value is equals to 24, and if we find the value of the CD, then we can write 55 because the total side is 55 and the BC side is 24. So means that 55 minus 24 we get 31. It means that CD equals to 31. 31 plus 24 we get 55. Against response I will repeat, the total side BD equals to BC plus CD, and BC equals to, we can write 24, and BD equals to 55. When BC equals to right here, then it will become 31. So we can write CD equals 31 here. Now we are required to find the value of the E. Then we move to the next triangle. We can write here in right angle triangle ACD. Then applying the Pythagoras theorem here, the square of the biggest side, biggest length, we can say that is AD. The square of the biggest length equals the square of the other two sides, the sum of the square of the other two sides, which is the square of AC plus the square of CD. AD, in the place of AD we can write E, so means that E square equals, in the place of AC we can write 32 32 the square of the 32 plus in the place of CD we can write 31 the square of 31. Now we can move here. E square equals the square of the 32 is 1024 plus the square of 31. Square of 31 is 961, and when we add both these quantities it becomes 1985, and when we taking square root on the both sides then it will becomes cut with the square root and e same as it is, and it becomes 44.65. Means that the value of the e which is required from the start of the question is 44.65 centimeter. Okay students, I hope you will understand that how we can find the unknown values in these triangles. This is the last part of question number 9 of exercise 10A. Also we can say that now I am giving you diary. The diary is diary of the today, question number 9 part A, B, C, D and E. These are all your homework and you have to do the practice of these questions. I hope you will understand. Inshallah we will meet another lecture. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.